you appended your signature. The only date that we have is date process, which is 27 October 2014.
Siyabona lana ke kule page ukuthi yebo wasayina kodwa ke akuna date ekhona date nje kuphela ke ekhona lana ile date ke le yange 27 October 2014 kodwa la wasayina khona akuna date.
Nkosenkantolo nayizolo le indaba le date ngiphendulile namhlanje saphinda ngisayiphendula ngithi phambi Nkosenkantolo ukube khona iphepha elihamba naleli lizovela idate manje phambi Nkosenkantolo balethi iphepha elilodwa uphuza kwabo waleli phepha.
I responded to this question yesterday, my lord, and I'm repeating it again that this document is not that it's not just a document on its own. There should be an accompanying document. On that document, the date will appear. So now only this document was brought before the court.
Mina kusemina ngibhala iphepha mina ngiyasayina kuphela kusemina ngibhala iphepha kwakufanele idate le uyibuza umlungu lo ufike naleli phepha umbuzanga umlungu la lo befike le phepha.
I'm not the one who completes the document. Mine is only to append my signature on it. I don't complete it, my lord. So that question was not posed to the witness, that is now Mr. Mulder, who was here, my lord, who brought this document before court.
Mr. Ntanzi, are you familiar with the concept of unauthorized leave?
Ngabe uyazi uma bekhuluma ke ngokuhamba ungavunyelwe emsebenzini noma ke ukuthi ungayi emsebenzini kodwa bengakuvumelanga emsebenzini bengakunikanga imvume yokuthi siyakuvumela ukuthi ungengezwe emsebenzini uyakwazi lokho.
Incwadi yakho ngabe uyikhiphile umlungu la ukuthi wangicharge lo malanga la.
The witness, my lord, would have then produced that document here in court that he had charged me or he charged me for those days. And if I'm counting the days that I was not at work, my lord, I would have been fired if my whereabouts were unknown.
You see, this concept of unauthorized leave entails that if an employee fails to work or to provide valid reasons for absence, the employer may treat this as unpaid leave.
Okushoyo ke noma okukushoyo lokho ukuthi ke uma ngabe umuntu ehambileke noma engazange emsebenzini kodwa ke imvume engayitholanga umqashi wakhe ke angakwenza ukuthi ke angamkhokheli lawo malanga lawo.
Lokho angikwazi ngiqala ukuzwa ngaphambi kwecourt.
I don't know about that. I'm hearing it for the first time before the court.
Mina bamufakazi na phambi kwecourt.
Here is my proof before the court. Although you did not bring the documents in their entirety, but here's the proof before the court.
We want to posit to you that the fact that your leave was processed on the 27th of October 2014 and is the only date that appears here that strongly indicates that it couldn't have been approved in advance as you allege.
My lord, I find myself very constrained to let Advocate Baloyi proceed on this tragedy. Unless we know what the date of processing means, it's unfortunately fair to ask Mr. Ntanzi what that date of processing means. Mr. Ntanzi has unequivocal on numerous occasions said, I only append my signature on my application for leave form on the notice of absence or of leave. What administration at HR does with the dates, I am not involved there. So the date of the 27th of October that Advocate Baloyi refers to, I have seen that, my lord, on the annexure DD that he refers to. But what it means, and to put that proposition to Mr. Ntanzi, is unfair unless somebody who says, I processed means the form arrived on my desk on the 27th, I approve it on the 27th, and leave is authorized on the 27th, means the same.
We leave it there for argument. It's neither here nor there. Now, if we can just briefly refer to your clocking records for the 3rd of November 2014. Do you have it? Thank you. Yesterday we did put to you that according to the leave summary that appears in the bundle that you did put in leave, sick leave for the 4th of November 2014.
Izolo sishilo kwena-ke ukuthi kukhona-ke la bese buka khona-ke ukuthi ngazo i-4 zikaNovember 2014 ila ofake khona-ke i-leave yokuthi-ke awuphathekile kahle noma-ke uyagula i-sick leave. Sisibukile le i-4 zikaNovember. Just a moment, the witness just wants to see.
It's page 11 of 14.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Nice. 4 November, it is.
Yeah.
Yes.
And if we can just go back to the clocking history, we did cover this yesterday, that you did work on the, after your return,
Sikhulumile-ke ngalokho izolo uma singabuyela lana-ke ukuthi emuva kokuthi usubuyile-ke emuva kwala amalanga amahlanu wasebenza ngazo i-3.
you work on the 3rd of November 2014 at 19:31:25. There's an in-clocking, it says MRD Medical.
19:31:25 ngazo i-3 November 2014 bhaliwe yathi MRD Medical.
Yeah.
Yes.
Did we understand you properly that in light of the fact that you were away, your unpaid leave covered 5 days plus the weekend, I think you said all in all 7 days, you said you had to undergo a medical, is that correct?
Ingabe sikuzwe kahle yini uma ngabe uthi-ke emuva kwala amalanga amahlanu-ke wabala-ke namanye wathi phakathi ka-7 no-8 ukuthi-ke emuva kokuthi-ke ubungekho leso sikhathi leso-ke kwakufanele ukuthi manje uhambe-ke bayokuxilonga noma bayokubheka-ke.
Nithi mina ngokwazi kwami kanjalo enkampanini.
I am saying that based on according to my knowledge in the company,
Ngoba nakho kubhaliwe la ukuthi MRD Medical.
because here it is indicated MRD Medical.
So this is a routine medical examination
Okusho
in
ukuthi-ke
light of the fact that you've been away.
ngenxa yokuthi-ke ubungekho yinto leyo-ke eyenziwayo vele enkampanini.
Asejapile amalanga ayi7 ngiphambi kwecourt.
Because it was now past 7 days.
Yes. Fanele ngihambe ngiyo-check ukuthi ngi-right.
Yes, they need to take me for me to be checked as to whether am I still okay.
Do they use the term medical bureau for that medical examination?
Uma bekwenza-ke lokho basebenzisa leli gama leli medical. Uma bekuchecka nibiza nge-medical leyo nto.
Angithi ilokhuza la i-access ilokhuza i-report yomshini lapha ngixoxa khona mangena esibhedlela.
This is the machine report where I am clocking in when I enter the hospital.
Igama lakhona uma kuthiwa hamba ku-medical, bathi hamba ku-medical, ngiya ku-medical, medical ngiyayazi enkampani, ngingena khona, ngiyahlala manike i-clock card.
That is how they refer to it in the company, that they would say to you, go to medical. I would then go in there, I clock in, and I give them my clock card.
Is that referred to as medical bureau?
Bureau.
Yes.
Uma beyibiza-ke lapho ingaba bathi medical bureau.
Angiyazi ibhiro ngisho.
I don't know what bureau means.
Mina ngazi ukuthi medical, makuthiwa medical isibhedlela sabaya khona uGeninda noma angayina uGeninda khona nomhani, belandela lona ifayela lami.
All I know is that it is referred to as medical. It is the same hospital that Gininda and Muhane went to go and fetch my file.
Yes.
Manje ukuthi ibhiro ngangikwazi mina ukuthi kubizwa ngani.
I don't know what they refer to it as. Whether they refer to it as bureau, I don't know.
But be that as it may, this is a medical assessment. It doesn't mean that you're sick. It's just to check that you're still in good health.
Uyabona lana
work
kubhalwe
underground.
sick leave ne okusho ukuthi manje-ke ngalendlela oyichaza ngayo-ke uma sibuka lana-ke manje i-medical ukuthi nje bayokucheka ukuthi ukahle yini akusho ukuthi uyagula nanjengoba kubhaliwe lana.
Makuthiwa sick leave, fanele ibhale lokhuza i-report yakhona ukuthi yini engiphethe. Lapha ibhale ukuthi nje sick leave.
If it's written sick leave, then there should be a report or that indicates as to what it is that I am sick of. So now it's not noted here or recorded, it just says sick leave.
Yes, but what we are saying is that there's a distinction between a medical assessment which you underwent
But
and being sick.
Kodwa ke esikushoyo ukuthi kunomehluko okhona phakathi kwe-medical le oyishoyo ngale ndlela oyisho ngayo wena ukuthi babe yokucheka ukuthi ukahle yini, becheka amehlo, becheka isifuba, becheka amadlebe. Kunomehluko phakathi kwalokho naloku okubhalwe la kuthiwe sick leave, kuthiwa uyagula.
Cha, umehluko kuwo ngoba utshene khona cha. Awusebenzi lapha. Lezi zinto akufanele uyibuze umlungu acacisele kahle ngazo.
To you, it is a difference because you are informing the court. You don't work there. You were supposed to inquire from the witness, that is now Mr. Mulder, to explain them properly to you.
So are you saying that such general medical assessment also qualifies as being checked for sickness?
Such?
General medical assessment qualifies for being checked whether or not you are ill.
Okay. Ingabe uthi ke i-medical le okhuluma ngayo la ukuthi bakucheka amadlebe, bakucheke amehlo, bakucheke isifuba ukuthi lokho kuyahambisana yini nokuchekwa ke ukuthi ingabe uyagula yini, kuyahambisana nalo sick ngokusho kwakho. Uma ngabe la kubhalwe medical la kuzobhalwa sick, ngabe ngendlela echaza ngayo wena ukuthi ke kuseyinto eyodwa leyo?
Mina ngokwazi kwami.
According to my knowledge.
Mangathula ubuke lapha phezulu na wena kubhala khona medical kwakuzi 8/2014. Lona ngumshongo. Lethe thiwa ngumshongo le mine. Khona into yenziwe mine ethiwa ngumshongo.
Ngoba ngisebenza emine ke ngeke ngiyazi.
Ingakho ngithi mina phambi kosekade baye kumlungu bela maye bazobuza mina ngezinto engazazi systems eKabhani.
The witness is pointing out just above that the 8th of December 2014, it's written there Medical Bureau. Now, hence I'm saying that these things were supposed to be asked to the witness that was here. Now I'm being asked about the company-related matters that I know nothing of. And according to the witness, this refers to something that is called umshongolo at the mine.
You can see that on that summary, page 11 of 14, there's medical bureau and there's sick leave.
Abola, nge 8th December, ile okhuluma ngayo qedwe yisho manje. The 8th December, as well as on the 5th, yes. And bese kuba khona lena ke yange 4 November, ile ebhalwe sick leave.
Ngithi why ingabhalwa la ukuthi esibhedlela ngangiyokonzana.
Hence I'm asking now or saying that why is it then not recorded here as to what is it that I went to do at the hospital?
Ngoba nazi lezi ezithuza ngaphezulu ngiyasibona umshongolo lapho uxoxa khona mawungena kumshongolo.
Because the two that are just noted above, Medical Bureau, that is now the 8th of December and 5th of December, that is what I am referring to. That is where you clock in when you go to that which is referred to as being umshongolo in the mine or at the mine.
Manje lena ke sick leave wayengabhale ngapha ungiyaphi wangekonzani khona.
Now with the sick leave, why is it not stated as to what did I go to do there?
But can you see on page 11 that a distinction is drawn between sick leave and medical bureau?
Kodwa ingabe uyabona yini la ukuthi ke kunomehluko la sila ku page 11 ka 14 ukuthi ke kunomehluko okhona phakathi kwalezi ezibhaliwe lama medical kanye no sick leave?
Kosenkantolo angisazi ngizophinda ngikhulume kanjani lapha ekhona. Ngithi mina umshushisi uyeke umlungu la lona amlande emayini wazokhuluma ngofakazi bami lapha ekhona.
I don't know how to put it this, my lord. I am saying that the state did not pose these questions to the witness, that the state themselves approached to come and testify on my behalf here in court.
Kosenkantolo awona la kubhalwe medical. Lapha igate enye indawo enye lengixoxa indawo yani yase training center lapha kushongola khona hayi ukuthi ngangixoxa la ongixoxa khona isiko.
Yeah, my lord, where it's written Medical Bureau, that is just one place where I would clock. It is a training center, not that where it's written Medical Bureau, it's the same place, or I was clocking at the same place as where sick leave is written.
Igate yasemayini inomshongolo uyaxoxa mawungena khona awutholi igate mawungena igate inomshongolo uyaxoxa.
There is this particular gate, my lord, that is being referred to at the mine as umshongolo. When you go through that gate, you clock.
Mawungena esibhedlela uyaxoxa iyakutshena ngapha uduze ngapha ku medical uzocheck.
And then when you go to the hospital, you then clock. It tells you that you are coming this side or you are visiting this side. You are here to be checked.
Asibuke lapha futhi nathi yabhala nge-29 August 2014 ithi training.
And then let's look at it on the 29th of August 2014. It's indicated training.
Indawo eyodwa la ihlukene ngamagate.
It's the same place. It's only the gates that are different.
Mawuyibuka ngokubhala kwazo lapha la.
If you look at them as they are recorded here.
So according to you, the medical assessment equals or is the same as examined as whether or not you're sick?
Ingabe okushoyo ke ukuthi lo medical obhalwe la ukuthi ke MRD medical nanjengoba usho wena ukuthi wawuyocheckwa ukuthi ukahle yini emva kwalamalanga owawungekho ngawo uthi ke into eyodwa leyo konokuthi ubhekwe ukuthi uyagula yini.
Ngabe babhalile la ukuthi ngangiphethwe yini.
They would have recorded here as to what it is that I was suffering from.
Ingakho nje ngisho ukuthi nomlungu umyekile wangambuza ngalezi kufanele ukuthi umlungu acacisele mina ngisebenzi lapha mina ngiqashiwe.
Hence, I am saying that you allowed the witness to leave without asking the witness because the witness was going to explain this better. I am just a worker there. I do not work with these.
Ngoba mina kusenkantolo ngokwazi kwami enkampanini makubhalwe so fanele kubhalwe nezizathu ngapha eceleni manje amanye amaphepha la awabhaliwe izizathu.
According to my knowledge, my lord, when this is indicated, as indicated here on page 11 of 14, the reasons should also be noted on the side, but on these documents, the reasons are not noted.
But Mr. Ntanzi, what we want to establish from you, you earlier said when we referred you to that medical on your clocking history, said it's a general medical assessment, but they also check as to whether or not you're sick.
Esisikwazi kuwena noma esikubuza kuwena mnumzana Ntanzi ukuthi uma ngabe ubuchaza umedical lo MRD medical ushilo ukuthi ke uma bekubheka ke medical yan bayakubheka ke nokuthi uyagula yini.
Uyabhekwa vele kapha.
Yes, they do check you in the company.
Nase Rustenburg bengibhekwa.
Even at Rustenburg, they would check me.
Now, if you look at page 5 of this bundle, page 5 of 14, sorry, page 6 of 14, Vares, yeah, page 6. Are you there at page 6? You'll see that there's a disciplinary record for you for the sick leave abuse.
Uzobona ke lana ukuthi lana okushiwo yilokhu ke ukuthi ke indlela ke owawunge noma ke phecelezi ke ungaphatheka noma ungasebenzisi ngendlela ungasebenzisi kahle ama sick leave akho phecelezi ke ukabuse I sick leave lana ke ila ababeqondisa khona ke igwegwe noma information ephathelene nokuqondisa igwegwe ngaphakathi enkampanini